And we are back to the site. The fascia putties have been fixed, 0 point has been made, and the corner has been rounded off. Now the polish guy will come in with the polishing work. The wall tiles, you can see again. This fascia has been matched with this edge. Otherwise it was coming somewhere here, 610 mm, but we decided to extend it till here, so it looks more appropriate. These are our wall tiles, and the opposite side, the sink side, the washing machine area, the sink, and the top, the tiles. Here is where the water filter will come, so that you can see the electrical point for there and the water supply line there, point. And there will be a cabinet here which will cover. It won't have a bottom, so in case of any dripping and all, it won't spoil the unit from inside. It will drip directly on the platform in case it happens. You can see this fascia has to be flushed with this end, so he'll cut 45 this edge also, as well as this. He'll cut this fascia at 45, and he'll put a fascia putty here a few inches just to cover, get it behind the tall unit which is going to come here. You need not put the entire fascia, it's not required, because it will get hidden behind the tall storage unit which is going to come here. This was chiseled by mistake. We'll finish it with POP and paint it and level it with the wall. The fridge point, and we have to finish this. This is where the wall was, the old wall. We have created an open kitchen now, so the place looks big and very airy. Otherwise this passage was quite dark, there was no direct daylight. Now it will get daylight from the kitchen windows. That was the idea of breaking the wall, and the apartment looks more spacious that way. We have to finish the skirting here, even here. The plumber has to. You can see the marking, the square, the cross. That is where the flow drain center is. The civil guy has done the marking for the plumber, so that it's easy for him to do the cutout and put the cover for the flow track. The washing machine angle cock will come here. The electrical point will come here. These tiles need to be finished. So that's all for today, and the flooring has also been done, must have noticed. This tile was broken when we broke the wall, so we need to replace a few tiles with a matching one. Hopefully we get something which is very close to this color, the whiteness. Okay. That's the skirting and the flooring which has been done. Okay friends, I hope these series of videos of this kitchen renovation is helping you. We will continue. See you soon. Those who are not subscribed, please do subscribe to MCSIDT. It motivates us to make more videos. Thank you so much.